Are the AirPods 3 waterproof? What you need to know. What to do in case your AirPods 3 get moist. No. AirPods 3 aren't waterproof, however they're water resistant. Which means you may get them moist in sure circumstances, however water can harm them if you happen to aren't cautious. Are Apple AirPods 3 waterproof? AirPods 3 aren't waterproof as a result of they'll maintain harm from water. To be thought about waterproof, a tool must survive extended contact with water, like being submerged or worn within the bathe. AirPods 3 are labeled as water resistant as a result of they'll survive publicity to a small quantity of water in sure circumstances. How waterproof are AirPods? AirPods 3 aren't waterproof in any respect. They've the identical ingress protection, IP, ranking as AirPods Professional, IPX4. Which means they're water resistant to a sure diploma, however not waterproof. Gadgets like AirPods 3 with an IPX4 ranking can stand up to splashes of water from any path or angle, however they are often simply broken by a gradual stream of water or by being submerged. For a tool to be waterproof to a level the place you may safely submerge it, put on it within the bathe, and usually not fear about water, you'd search for a ranking of IPX7 or greater. With an IPX4 ranking, AirPods 3 don't qualify as waterproof in any respect. Increased scores present greater ranges of safety from water, and IPX7 offers safety in opposition to streams of water and submerging. AirPods 3 can stand up to mild splashes of water, so that they're prone to survive getting caught within the rain, however unlikely to reside via dip within the pool. If AirPods 3 do get moist in any respect, it's important to completely dry them earlier than utilizing them once more or charging them. Attempting to charge AirPods uncovered to any water can harm them, and the identical is true if the case itself will get moist. Whereas the charging case can survive mild splashes of water, it's important to dry it out earlier than inserting the AirPods in it to cause them. Can you put on AirPods 3 within the bathe? You can't wear AirPods in the shower. Whereas your AirPods 3 might probably survive within the bathe if you happen to have been very cautious to keep away from getting water on them, they may not stand up to a direct hit from the shower head. Apple additionally warns water safety reduces with age, so the chances of your AirPods 3 getting broken within the bathe will slowly get greater over time. Can AirPods survive water? Since they've an IPX4 ranking, AirPods 3 can survive water to a sure diploma. They're rated to face up to splashes of water from each path, however not a direct stream of water, and so they can't be submerged in any respect. They're prone to survive quick publicity to mild rain, sweat, and different minor quantities of water, however provided that they're dried off instantly after. If AirPods 3 get moist in any respect, Apple recommends you instantly pat them dry with a lint-free material. If you happen to suspect any water seeped contained in the AirPods, then you have to permit them to dry earlier than you utilize or cost them in any respect. In case your AirPods 3 have been subjected to a gradual stream of water or submerged, then you must dry off the surface floor with a lint-free material, after which go away them alone for not less than 12 hours, or longer if you happen to shake them and any moisture seems. If you happen to suspect water has gotten inside your AirPods, inserting them in a sealed bag with a packet of silica gel may assist. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.